आप किस तरह से लोगों को जो है वो अवेयर करना चाहेंगी कि इट्स नॉट अ गुड थिंग और इज देयर एनी साइड इफेक्ट्स टू दैट और व्हाट काइंड ऑफ ट्रीटमेंट इज दैट?
Actually, skin problems are ignored also a lot.
Right.
So diet is a very important part in that. जो healthy person है आप देखें उसकी शक्ल ही फर्क होती है.
That's true.
Overall health के लिए हम जो कहते हैं fruits, vegetables, दूध, अंडा, walk, पानी पीना, this is for your general health. It boosts your immune system. Plus it gives you a lovely, healthy,
Necessity,
growing
yeah.
skin.
गोरा हो जाने से जो है वो उनकी इम्पोर्टेंस ज़्यादा हो जाएगी.
Beauty is not the color, it's beauty हर कलर और हर रेस में और हर जगह होती है. प्लस ये जो हम जंक फूड खाते हैं,
Yeah.
obviously that harms your skin, it ages your skin. ये sugary things, these are all harmful. Lemon is very good. आप lemon बालों में भी डाल सकते हैं with vinegar as a rinse, it's very nice. ये आपके दाग धब्बे और इन चीज़ों के लिए there's पपीता, lemon, tomato.
Hello everyone, this is Zil and I'm here with a new segment of Live Well. It's the beauty segment and we are going to introduce you with every time with a new guest over here. आज भी हमारे साथ एक बहुत ही profound guest हैं. She's a profound dermatologist, she's a teacher and she had been working into diverse practices. So आपकी मुलाकात कराते हैं डॉक्टर सुरैया अनवर से, जो कि हमारे साथ यहाँ पर आज हैं हमारे लाउंज में. और डॉक्टर सुरैया, वेलकम टू आवर लाउंज.
Thank you.
डॉक्टर सुरैया, आप ये बताइए कि किस तरह से आपने ये इनिशिएटिव लिया एज टू ओप दिस करियर एज अ डर्मेटोलॉजिस्ट. सिर्फ इंटेंस किस्म की ट्रीटमेंट्स के लिए आपको डर्मेटोलॉजिस्ट की ज़रूरत होती है, जिसमें लेज़र ट्रीटमेंट्स हैं या कॉस्मेटिक सर्जरी है, और वो भी इंटेंस सिचुएशंस में. बट अब चूँकि लोगों को अवेयरनेस बहुत आ रही है और ब्यूटी केयर की तरफ और सेल्फ केयर की तरफ लोग बहुत रुझान है लोगों का. सो व्हाट डू you feel is that was that the main reason for you to come up with this idea?
Yes, I did. Actually, that was the reason, because people were not very aware about skin things, and actually skin problems are ignored also a lot. वो एक ही चीज़ हर चीज़ के लिए लगा रहे हैं. बेटनोवेट ले ली, ज़ख्म हो गया वही लगा लिया, वही. So people weren't aware and they did not go to a dermatologist. आप अपने GP के पास चले जाते थे और वही 2-3 क्रीमों की मिक्सचर्स दे दी एंड वही which were applied, and this was not, मतलब ये फील्ड जो था ये it was not being properly practiced. So वो तब मुझे इंटरेस्ट डेवलप हुआ कि यहाँ पाकिस्तान में इतना डर्मेटोलॉजी का मतलब लोग they're not aware of this, and every segment of person, जो है अमीर हो गरीब हो, सबको इसकी ज़रूरत होती है. and so there's a need of dermatologist, और इस चीज़ को ज़्यादा there needs to be awareness about this.
That's
Even
nice.
though there are so many dermatologists and everything, but people still are not aware of basic skin problems and skin how to go about
Ignorance की वजह से.
ignorance की वजह से.
That's true.
So I mean, there's a lot of awareness has come among people, but there's still some certain myths and there are certain practices which people still continue.
So what do you think, like in this time when we are dealing with this COVID की situation, और लोगों के अंदर और भी ज़्यादा रुझान हुआ है कि they should actually take care of themselves, and how people are taking care of that? Do you think that your clientele is increased in these times, or it got decreased, or what kind of experiences you have?
Well, it didn't increase in this time, but इसमें ये है कि with the COVID thing, yes, you can deal with your skin problems at the same time, because obviously whatever your body needs to boost your immune system is also going to give you a healthier and better skin, plus your health will improve.
Right.
So diet is a very important part in that. In COVID also, a very important part, I mean apart from social distancing and not meeting people, is your own body. And the people who have not developed COVID that seriously are those people who have a good immune system, या जो अच्छा अपनी सेहत का ख्याल रखते हैं, जो खाते ठीक तरह से हैं, प्रॉपर फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स पे तो यहाँ कोई रुझान ही नहीं है। विटामिन डी की कमी है, ये प्रूवन, इट्स अ प्रूवन फैक्ट नाउ दैट विटामिन डी इज़ वेरी इफेक्टिव इन मतलब कोविड पेशेंट्स जो हैं, इट बूस्ट द इम्यून सिस्टम एंड they can fight better against the disease. So even if they do get the coronavirus or they're infected with it, those people have a better chance of surviving and having less severe symptoms. So वही चीज़ें जो आप देखें, जो overall health के लिए हम जो कहते हैं fruits, vegetables, दूध, अंडा, walk, पानी पीना, this is for your general health. It boosts your immune system, plus it gives you a lovely healthy
Necessity,
growing
yeah.
skin, hair and everything. ये चीज़ें हम नोट, हमारा हाल है by popping a few pills और इस तरह क्रीमें लगा कर या बालों में चीज़ें डाल के, this is not the only solution. You have to first, जो healthy person है आप देखें उसकी शक्ल ही फ़र्क होती है.
That's true.
You have a healthy growing skin and plus you can fight diseases. जो भी होता है, कोई डायबिटिक होता है उसको भी हम वही कहते हैं भाई वेट कम करें, डाइट ठीक करें, एक्सरसाइज करें. सो फॉर एवरी एस्पेक्ट ऑफ लाइफ दीज थिंग्स आर इम्पॉर्टेंट टू कीप अ बैलेंस डाइट, टू हैव लाइट एक्सरसाइज कर लें, 20 मिनट वॉक कर लें, प्लस इट कीप्स यू हैप्पी एज वेल.
That's
आपको
true.
पता है एक्सरसाइज रिलीजेस एंडोर्फिन्स एंड that
That's
is reducing your stress कम होता है तो naturally you can get acne, other skin problems because of stress, other diseases you get due to stress.
एक जो हमारी है और सोसाइटल एक जो है बिहेवियर ऑफ पीपल कि बहुत पहले लोग जो हैं वो इतना ज़्यादा डिस्क्रिमिनेट करते होते थे कि ये काला है, ये वो है, ये फलाना है, इसकी ख्याल नहीं रखती अपने स्किन का, तो दे मस्ट बी सम रीज़न. सो डू यू थिंक दैट देयर इज़ अ चेंज कम अप विद ऑल दिस?
देखिए, people have become more aware of problems and they have started looking after themselves better, but this discrimination of काला गोरा तो नहीं गया. वो तो है, वो तो सवाल ही नहीं पैदा, मतलब इट जस्ट डजंट चेंज नो मैटर हाउ एजुकेटेड और जो भी हो, भाई लड़की गोरी होनी चाहिए. तो पहले मुझे भी होता था, आई यूज्ड टू से टू द गर्ल्स, क्या आपको क्या मतलब यू नीड, जो बेसिकली यू नीड अ हेल्थी ग्लोइंग स्किन, रंग से नहीं फ़र्क पड़ता. लेकिन यहाँ आई डू सी कि इंडिया साइड या पाकिस्तान अब बहुत ज़्यादा, साउथ एशिया दे डू डिस्क्रिमिनेट एंड इवन दो द पर्सन इटसेल्फ वो खुद उनको शायद ना इतना हो कि हमारे रंग का, दे हैप्पी विद देमसेल्व्स, बट पीपल कीप ऑन एंड ऑन. सो देन ये चीज़ आ जाती है, दे स्टार्ट यूजिंग दीज फेयरनेस क्रीम्स, तो एंड गलत प्रैक्टिस से शुरू कर देते हैं, जस्ट दे अंडर दिस प्रेशर टू लुक गुड.
मैनी ऑफ द मॉर्निंग शोज दे वर एक्चुअली लिटरल उनके ऊपर वो डेमो दिखा रहे थे दैट हाउ people can actually inject those injections, especially for this skin whitening thing. So what do you think, like people are still in that sort of blindness or ignorance के उनको लगता है कि गोरा हो जाने से जो है वो उनकी importance ज़्यादा हो जाएगी?
ये तो है, this doesn't change. No matter how much I lecture, the young girls आती है मेरे पास, जितना ज़्यादा मैं उनको lecture कहती हूँ कि look after your skin, don't use these products, they may give you a dull and greyish skin, और वो बात नहीं होती. Glow करना, that is the beauty of the skin, that it should be glowing, a healthy glowing skin. तो मेरा तो ख्याल है बल्कि बढ़ गई है ये चीज़. Young boys, they are coming to me, they want to be fairer. ये हर मतलब I have most of my patients, it's either they want to be fairer, yeah, they have got pigmentation, or they want to be fairer, but this is the biggest problem.
There are category of dermatologists who actually encourage such treatments and they feel like कि अगर हम ये कह भी देंगे कि आप इंजेक्शन, वाइटनिंग इंजेक्शन लगवाएं और आप गोरे हो जाएं और समथिंग लाइक दैट, आप किस तरह से लोगों को जो है वो अवेयर करना चाहेंगी कि इट्स नॉट अ गुड थिंग, और इज देयर एनी साइड इफेक्ट्स to that, or what kind of
देखिए, in the treatment itself, if you are getting glutathione and it's done properly, it's not harmful if it's done in the proper way, because glutathione itself is an antioxidant and it was used basically to help side effects of chemotherapy. It's used in Parkinsonism, it's used in asthmatics, it's used in a lot of diseases.
Right.
Even athletes use glutathione for a better performance. So if it is used in a correct way, it is not harmful. लेकिन हम लोग correct way में use नहीं ना करते, overdose कर देते हैं, steroid साथ inject करते हैं और 100 चीज़ें उसके साथ दे देते हैं, तो वो फिर चीज़, and then they get them hooked onto it for life कि बस आपने ये लेना है यहाँ pregnancy में ladies are taking it. African ladies have been taking glutathione and they've been asking me, मैं कहा देखें there is no proven study about it, so it's your risk, ना करें तो बेहतर है कि जी बच्चा गोरा हो जाए. So,
Seriously?
I am not joking. So this has become a big thing. So I think our overall, जैसे अब I've seen some advertisements, they've used darker models, which I think that is nice. अगर हम ये चीज़ें promote करें ना अपनी advertising में और general उसमें, that people become comfortable.
Yes.
कि beauty is not the color, it's beauty हर color और हर race में और हर जगह होती है. So
आपके
that is-
natural जो
natural
expression
beauty
है,
होती है वो that is the best.
डॉक्टर सरैया मुझे बताएं कि आप अपनी सेल्फ ब्यूटी के लिए क्या करती हैं. हाउ डू यू नो फील योर सेल्फ फ्रेश एंड हेल्दी एंड यू नो माशाल्लाह योर स्किन इज ऑल्सो वेरी ग्लोई एंड यू नो you're very
thank you.
pretty माशाल्लाह. So what are the practices that you perform for yourself?
Okay, my practices since I've been sort of when I was a young girl, I used to read these books about कि क्या skin care and all. So it was nothing very complicated. एक तो होता था before you sleep at night, you have to cleanse your face properly, toning and moisturizer. Not that you're using 100,000 different products. It's just you have to
Creams
give
too,
your
actually.
power, your skin moisture. That's it. So when you're younger, you don't need these collagen and all these additives, and you don't need all that stuff. तो आपको basically है कि आपने खाना, fruits and vegetables, that was an important part. Exercise, I used to walk always. I've always walked. I love walking. It's मुश्किल exercise भी नहीं है. You can do it in your home. I used to walk in my home. तब Walkman होता था. तब ये iPods वगैरह नहीं होते थे और all that. So that was and cleansing. Obviously using a moisturizer, using the proper cleanser and a proper moisturizer.
Right.
So and I drank always a lot of water. So
Right.
these are just very few things, but they improve. It does change your skin. Everybody, चाहे वो बच्चा हो बड़ा हो, if you eat 5 fruits or vegetables in a day, that covers your daily requirements. So it will cover everything. Plus ये जो हम junk food खाते हैं,
Yeah.
obviously that harms your skin. It ages your skin. ये sugary things, these are all harmful.
I'm just surprised that one element you didn't talk about it. I mean, that's lemon, which we've been hearing like in many of the shows कि lemon जो है वो बड़ा citric के लिए element वो use होता है and it actually gives you a bleachy effect. So what do you feel about that?
Why I didn't say citrus again is because it's not going to suit everybody.
Yeah.
Because anybody who has got a dry skin, वो उल्टा
Yeah.
उसको damage करेगा. Yes, lemon is very good. आप lemon बालों में भी डाल सकते हैं with vinegar as a rinse. It's very nice. Lemon can be added in your बल्कि ये आपके दाग धब्बे और इन चीज़ों के लिए there's papita, lemon, tomato.
Do you think that mango also used as a treatment element for skin?
I think any of these, चाहे वो banana peel हो, कुछ भी हो, all of these, any of these natural ingredients, cucumbers, they're
yes.
all because they give also moisture.
Yeah.
A mask made with cucumber, you can do these. So all of the दही के साथ, बल्कि आपको sunburn हो जाए, तो वो कहते हैं विटामिन सी इज गुड नहीं है कुछ तो वो दही और क्यूकम्बर का मिक्सचर आप लगा सकते हैं.
So it will
all
be
these
really helpful.
all my life I didn't buy these fancy. I have bought products. ऐसे तो नहीं है कि नहीं ली सोच समझ के देख के. But I used to read a lot and I used to make my own.
People are more into when they are buying expensive products and it doesn't work. So they also need to actually give attention to such a situation कि they should move towards organic things rather than keeping themselves engaged in luxury products.
So it's not necessary that the product is very expensive, it's going to be good. So you can't just say कि नहीं ये Estee Lauder है या ये L'Oreal का product है ये तो it is going to be, yes they are good. But every skin is different and you have to experiment a little with your skin. And you have to choose products for your skin. If you have a dry skin, you will be choosing a cleanser which has got some moisture, ceramides होंगे. अगर आपकी oily skin है, something with salicylic acid in it to dry off the oiliness so you prevent acne and problems like that. So you have to see your skin type. Now I've got dry and normal skin, so I use 2 products. So I use for my the rest of my face I'm using for dry skin or either normal skin. So, and I'm using something very simple nowadays, which I found is very good. It's Hydra Genius of L'Oreal. It's not very expensive. It's hyaluronic acid with aloe vera.
Okay.
So it's for dry skin, oily skin. यहाँ के लिए मैं different use करती हूँ यहाँ के लिए. But वही
So
बात
it's
है.
more like, you know, you have to actually get to know your skin more than anything else.
Yes, and a proper beautician would guide you. लेकिन the problem again in Pakistan is they are not proper beauticians. They have
Yeah.
not gone to college. They don't know the skin types. Once मैंने एक facial यहाँ कराया and that was it.
Yeah.
They put the heat and the steam. You're not supposed to give my type of skin a steam. You're not supposed to steam it.
Right.
So it's going to dry it and make it worse. It's like when I do these Hydra facials.
Yeah.
So every skin type is different. I first check कि skin क्या है. इसको मैंने salicylic acid से करना है, glycolic है, if it's very oily, it's an acne prone skin. Is it a dry skin? Am I going to hydrate it more with peptides? Am I going to give it aloe vera? What am I going to hyaluronic acid? So you have to know the skin type. You first study the skin, then आप कोई treatment करते हैं. यहाँ आप जाएंगे facial के लिए, सबके facial एक ही होंगे. वो ही जो भी होगा उसका facial एक जैसा, बाद में polish कर देंगे जी, और उसको bleach कर देंगे and
Okay.
that's
So I think ये चीज़ जो है वो तो आपके खुद के awareness से ही बेहतर हो सकती है. So thank you so much, Dr. Saiba, for your presence today in our show. And viewers, I hope that you have enjoyed this conversation with Dr. Suraya Anwar. Healthy life is really, really important these days when we are actually facing such unprecedented times. Due to new germs and new kind of things popping up. I would definitely say that it's just about living healthy life and live well. Thank you so much.